These burgers might look straight out of a haunted kitchen, but trust me, these creepy Halloween burgers are made with MOWI Salmon Fjord Burger patties, and they're scary good. Let's start off with those Fjord burgers, and they come conveniently packaged in 4-packs. Available now at Sam's Club. When you buy these guys, you'll notice right away the texture of the patty. The breaded crust is super crispy, and that means when you pop it into the air fryer, it's gonna turn it into a nice crispy burger on the outside, but super juicy on the inside. Plus, they're made with MOWI Atlantic salmon, and that means the quality is perfection. Now we can bake these or pan fry them. Again, I like to air fry these guys at 400 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes. And while that's air frying, we're gonna start putting together all of our decorations that are gonna be putting our Halloween burgers together. And what I love about this is that your imagination can go really wild. All you have to do is kind of think outside the box and kind of assemble it so that it looks like a true jack-o'-lantern that's edible. Let's begin. For the buns, I like to use brioche bread. It has kind of sheen to it, and it has kind of this orange glow as well. And also, it's really tasty with this burger. So you're just gonna go ahead and open it up and kind of start thinking, how am I gonna layer the Fjord burger inside of this and turn this into kind of a caricature? My first burger is this saucy and spicy vampire burger. Now, one of the cheeses I like to use is American or cheddar cheese because it's yellow, it's bright, and of course it goes well with any burger. But for the fangs, I think I'm gonna be using some white cheese so they stand out. Once you lay that cheese on top of the hot Fjord burger, it'll start melting down into fangs. Now, eyes are really important for these guys, so you want to find different items inside the antipasto bar of your supermarket. I have things like peppers in here, olives work great, even almonds. Just use your imagination and go wild. Pop these guys right on top. Let's make some horns on these guys, and for that I have found these awesome red peppers that I'm just gonna place right on top. To make this devilish kind of look, we're gonna be adding some spicy sauce, in this case sriracha. It's nice and red and spicy and so good with this burger. Next up, this goofy burger with this funky hair. It all starts off with these buck teeth made of American cheese. And for the eyes, peppers stuffed with mozzarella balls. And for that spiky hair, I'm a huge fan of these spicy rolled tortilla chips, and they're pretty stiff and narrow, and also we're gonna be using this as hair. And now for some contrast using dark kale and chips. Now, blue tortilla chips are perfect because they add a lot of contrast, but also they have these curves that kind of make it look like ears. So I walked around the supermarket and started looking for things that would look like eyes, and this little rolled cheese with prosciutto is perfect for it. We're gonna go ahead and cut that, and that instantly, for me, looks like an eye. I found some spicy harissa in my fridge, but marinara works in a pinch. Finally, this sleepy ghoul sports some cheddar cheese. I just punched out 2 holes and laid it right on top for it to melt. Let's try giving it some funky hair. Even these carrot chips would look great as a mohawk. And these colorful toothpicks give it that Halloween pinhead look. And now you get to taste that rich, buttery taste of MOWI salmon in every bite, wrapped up in these Fjord burgers that look spooky enough to haunt your Halloween table. Deliciously creepy and devilishly good.